It was a life-changing moment as Life Continental Beer, a brand under the Nigerian brewery, sponsored the 2025 Afiolu Festival Nnewi in Nnewi North local government area of Anambra State. The event was an avenue to celebrate the rich Igbo cultural and agricultural heritage. Ngozi Okekearu, who covered the historic event for Newsline, reports that there was a lifetime experience that also serves as a homecoming for those in the diaspora.
Grand entrance of the Marketing Director, Nigerian Breweries PLC, Sarah Aga, and cutting of ribbon for the tall yam pyramid, first of its kind in the history of Afiolu and celebrations of yam as king of all crops in Igbo land, set the tone for the auspicious event, which aims to amplify the festival's tradition.
Life Beer is one of the leading beer brands in our portfolio, and Life champions the Igbo culture. Life believes that the Igbo culture is beautiful and should be celebrated, and to make sure that people all over the world hear about this festival.
We're here to support the Afiolu festival in Nnewi, and it shows that when Life Lager Beer says that they celebrate our tradition, they celebrate our resilience, our enterprise as people from the eastern part of Nigeria, that they really mean what they say.
We put what we have been doing here to Nnewi to make sure that Life still sustains what they have been doing.
Symbolic New Yam cooking competition keenly contested by Nnewi 4 villages with emotions high saw Umudim emerge winner with the sum of 2 million naira first cash prize and first runner-up Otolo receiving 1.5 million naira, while second and third runners-up Nnewichi and Urago got 750,000 naira and 500,000 naira respectively. Anambra State Government and Nnewi community applaud Life Continental Lager Beer for the support engendered by long-standing relationship between them and the brand.
The governor's message at this occasion is to commend Nnewi people for holding on to their culture. Government of Anambra State has always been in attendance annually at this event, and particularly because culture is at the forefront of what we are promoting in this government.
I must thank the organizers of this edition because they have done so very well. They have done so much. This is the first of its kind since the beginning of since the inception of Afiolu. And I must thank Nigerian Brewery Life for their assistance, for their support to make this occasion a great one.
And I pray that their business will continue to flourish.
Holding last August every year to showcase a record harvest, the massive event makers enjoyed free drinks, gifts, and entertainments with rich Igbo cultural displays, with cameras clicking amidst cheers.